Example number 3. This time y is the same as x plus 5. So whatever x plus 5 is, we know that it is the same as y. Because y is the letter all by itself, this is the letter we're going to replace. So we're going to change y in the bottom problem to x plus 5. When we rewrite the bottom equation, it looks like this. 3x plus 6, instead of y, we're going to create a parenthesis and place x plus 5 inside the parenthesis, equals 57. The newly written problem is exactly the same as the bottom equation, except instead of y, we've replaced it with x plus 5 inside of a parenthesis. At this point, we follow the familiar pattern of distribute, combine, solve. This time we're going to distribute the 6 into the parentheses onto the x and 5. Because there's 2 items inside the parenthesis, we have to multiply the 6 times each item individually. 6 times x is written as 6x. 6 times positive 5 is positive 30. At this point, we've used the 6 and the x plus 5. We need to rewrite the parts of the problem that we have not yet used. The 3x plus and the equals 57. That was distributing. Next, we'll combine. If you look at the left side of the problem, there are 3 terms, 3x, 6x, and 30. 2 of these terms are like terms and can go together, the 3x and the 6x. 3x plus 6x makes 9x. We copy down the parts of the problem that we haven't used, and we create a new problem. We've now distributed and combined. It's time to solve. This sets up as a simple 2-step equation, the type that we solve all the time. Remember, first we undo addition or subtraction. So I'll undo the plus 30 with a minus 30. I'll find that 9x equals 57 minus 30, which is 27. Next we undo the multiplication with division. 9 times x is undone with the divide 9, and we do that to both sides to find that x equals 27 divided by 9, which is 3. Just like the previous problems, we're not done yet. We know the x value, but we need to also know the y value. To find the y value, we plug what we now know x equals into one of the equations. In this case, y equals x plus 5. Since we know that x is 3, y equals 3 plus 5, which is 8. Now that we know both x and y, we can write our answer as a coordinate pair, which will be 3, 8. Remember, the x comes first in a coordinate pair, the y comes second.